Hello friend, I am Imran and you are watching Technology Tip. Today we will learn how to rotate image of ezviz cameras. So let's start. First of all, we will open ezviz application. You can see that we have added a camera but its image looks upside down. Play the camera. The image is still upside down. Press on setting button and here you can see all settings. Turn down the settings and here you will find an option flip image. Press the flip image button. Wait for the setting to change and settings has been changed. Now go back to the camera. You can see that its image has been rotated.